Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hope that you will be fine. Dear students, as I have already told you about the fraction and its kinds, but this time I want to remind you once again. When an object is divided into many equal parts, it is known as fraction. Kinds of fraction: proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction, like fraction, unlike fraction, unit fraction, equivalent fraction. Like fraction, the fraction whose denominators are same, like 1 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, etc. are like fractions. And unlike fractions, the fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions, like 1 by 5, 2 by 7, 3 by 10, etc. Now, dear students, open your mathematics textbook at page number 187, exercise 7.4, question number 1, part A. Here, question number 1, write shaded portion as fraction. Arrange them in ascending and descending order using correct sign. Dear students, here are two more pointers which I want to remind you. Number 1, ascending order and descending order. Ascending order, to arrange the numbers from smallest to largest, and descending order, to arrange the numbers from largest to smallest. Now, question number 1, part A. Write shaded portion as fraction. Arrange them in ascending and descending order using correct sign. Less than, this is a sign of less than, and this is a sign of is equal to, and this is the sign of greater than. Now, part A. This is a figure. It is divided into 8 equal parts. Among the 8 equal parts, 3 parts are shaded. Now, the fractions, part A, 1 by 8, second is 6 by 8, and third is 4 by 8, and fourth fraction is 1 by 8. Now, ascending order, 1 by 8 is less than 3 by 8, 3 by 8 is less than 4 by 8, 4 by 8 is less than 6 by 8. Now, descending order, 6 by 8 is greater than 4 by 8, 4 by 8 is greater than 3 by 8, 3 by 8 is greater than 1 by 8. Now, part B of question 1 is, this figure is divided into 9 parts. 8 parts are shaded. So, the fraction is 8 by 9, second fraction 4 by 9, third 3 by 9, and fourth fraction is 6 by 9. Now, ascending orders, 3 by 9 is less than 4 by 9, 4 by 9 is less than 6 by 9, 6 by 9 is less than 8 by 9. Now, descending orders of these fractions, 8 by 9 is greater than 6 by 9, 6 by 9 is greater than 4 by 9, and 4 by 9 is greater than 3 by 9. Now, question number 2, compare the fractions and put an appropriate sign. Part A, 3 by 6, space 5 by 6. 3 by 6, space 5 by 6. Since their denominators are same, that is 6 and 6, the denominators are same, so by comparing numerators, 3 by 6, 5 by 6. 3 by 6 is less than 5 by 6. Now part B of question 2 is 1 by 7, 1 by 4. Fraction 1 by 7 space 1 by 4. Since their denominators are not same, therefore LCM of 7 and 4 are 28, which implies 1 by 7 into 4 by 4 is equal to 4 ones are 4, 4 sevens are 28. Now 1 by 4 into 7 by 7 is equal to 7 ones are 7, 7 fours are 28. By comparing numerators of 4 by 28 and 7 by 28, which implies 1 by 7 is less than 1 by 4. Now question number 4. Name the fractions and arrange them in ascending order. Question number 4. Name the fractions and arrange them in ascending order. So here 2 by 6, 2 by 6, and the next is 3 by 6, then 1 by 6, then 5 by 6, 4 by 6, 0 by 6, 6 by 6. Since their denominators are same, therefore by comparing numerators, ascending order, 0 by 6 is less than 1 by 6, 1 by 6 is less than 2 by 6, 2 by 6 is less than 3 by 6, 3 by 6 is less than 4 by 6, and 4 by 6 is less than 5 by 6, 5 by 6 is less than 6 by 6.